and welcome back to my subscribers. To my newcomers, please like, share, and subscribe. We're going to continue to discuss all things logistics. There is a lot to learn, and I'm here to educate you the best way I can. So today's video is going to cover two very important abbreviations of many that you will hear in this freight industry. Those abbreviations are B.O.L and P.O.D. Now, what a B.O.L is a bill of lading. Is the detailed list of the shipment and the condition that it is in when your owner-operator picks it up. So it's your owner-operator's job to, when they go to pick up the load, to get the B.O.L, and they need to glance at it and make sure that it matches what it says. Make sure it's in the condition that it says it's in, so on and so forth. P.O.D stands for proof of delivery. So how it goes is your owner-operator will go to pick up the load. When they pick up the load, they will receive a B.O.L. They'll look over the B.O.L and say, yes, this is what I'm picking up according to the B.O.L, and this is also the condition that it's in. The owner-operator will then leave to go drop off the load. Once they get to the receiver of the load, the receiver will then get the B.O.L from the owner-operator. They will look over it, and they will make sure that it still is in the same condition that it was in when the owner-operator picked it up. It's going to make sure nothing's damaged or nothing of that nature. Once that receiver looks over everything and says, okay, it's in the same condition, XYZ, they will then sign the B.O.L. Once that B.O.L is signed by the receiver, it is now a P.O.D, and that is the same sheet of paper. The only thing that changed is that it's now signed. So that changed it to a proof of delivery, a P.O.D. That owner-operator is then good to go. Good as paid. Their job is done. They will send that P.O.D over to you as their dispatcher, and you will take that along with the rate con and submit it to their factoring company if they have one. So the rate con plus the P.O.D is how you and your owner-operator gets paid. And that is, again, if you are submitting it to a factoring company. So that covers what a P.O.D is and what a B.O.L is. If you have any questions, leave it in the comment section and I'll gladly answer them for you. And I'll see you next time. So if you've enjoyed this video and you want to continue to educate yourself on all things logistics, please like, share, and subscribe. And also remember, with all things logistics, you are in business for yourself, but never by yourself. I'll see you next time.